Hey people, welcome back to my vlogging channel. So, how y'all doing? I'm back on YouTube. So we are going to watch a movie called Bhagi 2, or I have no idea what's it's in the cinema right now or not. But we'll be going there, see if the movie is available. Otherwise, we're watching Rampage. And I'm all dressed up, ripped jeans, t-shirts. It's a full sleeves, but you can say that. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do subscribe, because the summer's gonna be lit and I'm back. So let's do it and roll the clip as we all do. So just a quick little update. Currently in the front of the lake shooting a video. Just wanted to let you know that I'm not gonna be driving till the cinema because that's too far. Just driving here, get some shot, get the view back for what I'm gonna do. So currently in the car, just driving, and that's it. So I hope you guys like that transition shot, just the new editing and all that skills. But without further ado, let's get the vlog continued. Hey fam, so just quick little update. Currently at Decatur, going to eat at Saika and carrying the bags and all, the boy stuff, the girl stuff. So that's it, and here we go. I just shoot over here because the lighting is so good and all that, so let's go. Yeah, so we did came to the cinema to get the tickets, but it's sold out right now. We'll be coming tomorrow to get the tickets. I got some bag here. Yes, I know what bag is it, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Going to lunch, dinner. It's 6, it's 7 I guess here, so we'll be going to dinner and take you guys with me. So let's go there. Hey, I have to quickly come out because it was too crowded in the restaurant. We just ordered. I tried to get 120 FPS of the food. So that's it. I won't be vlogging in the restaurant because that's way too much packed out. We have to wait for 30 minutes to get to the seats. But yeah, that's how it goes. So stay till the end of the vlog, and that's all. Here's 120 FPS of the food. Yeah, so that's it for now. That's my vlog for today. I'll see you all shortly. Our show got cancelled, but we will be going to watch the Rampage tomorrow. Make sure to like and subscribe, and new vlog will be out really soon because of the Rampage show. I know that's nothing in the vlog. We just went to Zyka to get some food and all that, but I have to post something on YouTube to get my channel running. That's pretty much it for today. I see you all shortly. Peace out for now.